Hey guys, it's me again. It's me, Super Mario. No, just kidding, it's me, Molly the motion designer. And today I've got a story about this wild client I recently had. Honestly, there were so many red flags, I think they might have been colorblind. I mean, they were demanding, frustrating, and downright dull. But hey, my mortgage needs paying, and I can't pay my bills with happy thoughts. Though I tried, so I stayed professional. Kind of. When you look back at situations like these, you just think, how the heck did I manage to survive that? Let's dive into it.
Okay, I want this design to pop, neon colors, huge text, and fireworks. But like subtle fireworks. You get me?
Sure, neon, huge, subtle fireworks. Got it.
Looks good. But can you make the text bounce when it shows up? Also, can it be glitchy? Not too glitchy, just a little glitch, like it's struggling to exist.
Got it. Bounce, glitch, struggling existence. Perfect.
The glitch is too much. Can we take it down? And the bounce? It's not enough bounce. More bounce. Also, can we add a rainbow gradient? Just subtly, though. Oh, and make the logo sparkle, like shine.
Bounce, rainbow, sparkle. Yep, absolutely.
You know what? Actually, I think we should just go with the first one.
But being the professional I am, I just say, of course, the original, subtle fireworks. This was a big lesson for me as a designer. Look, I know you have bills to pay, and a lot of times most designers don't have the confidence to speak up. But take it from me, some random person on the internet with 18 years of experience under my belt. If you don't think something works, you have to tell the client. Remember, you're the expert, not just some extension of Adobe Photoshop. You have skills the client doesn't have. And listen, if you're on a project where the client wants to make pointless changes, always push back a little. It's called professional courtesy. Always be willing to try, but also always give advice when you see fit. You're not just there to execute, you're there to help guide the vision. All right, that's a quick one for you today, guys. Since I've just newly been made unemployed, I now have a lot more time to create these videos. So go me, I'll be posting longer, more useful and valuable videos starting next week. But for today, this is a quick one. Let me know if you have any client versus designer stories. I'm always interested to hear other people's perspectives. See you next Friday. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you like this content, you might also enjoy some of the other videos on my channel, so be sure to check them out. Also, if any of the tutorials or products I've featured caught your eye, you can grab them directly from my Gumroad store. And if you'd like to support the channel and get some cool perks, consider becoming a patron. Patrons get a special mention at the end of every video, plus access to all my products and files for free. I post videos every Friday, so stay tuned for more. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.